time with the demo. Let me show you the design. What are the input and output files? So the yellow cells are the input cells, and all of these are the matrices which can be entered in here. So this is the percent file. If you want to directly enter the percentage values for each matrix, you can enter in here against this time. This is the baseline. You don't need to touch on it. So the gray areas are fixed formulas which you don't need to modify, and you can always keep these cells as it is. This is the yellow cell which you want to enter the number in as per the requirement, which will decide the highest and the lowest number on the chart. Let me show you the change in here. So currently you can see the maximum is 423.5. Let me change the number to 300 maybe, and you will see it will dynamically change the maximum and minimum values on the chart, and accordingly, yes, at the zero will be at the 100 at the value whatever you will enter in here. Let me enter 500 in here, and you will see it change to 500, and accordingly it will be divided to up to 5.25% added in here. Okay, once done that, once this is done, you can either enter the number of percent whatever you want to enter in here, or you can enter the number of numbers. I guess this is what you are looking for, so that you can enter any number for the metric one against any particular time. You can enter the numbers in here, and those will be automatically used in here because the formula is here. So I have added a button in here. You will see that button shortly when I show you the menu. So if you want to use the number values, and you want to enter the values in this sheet, and you want to convert those to be automatically here, so formula is here, but if you unintentionally delete it, you'll need to press this button, and the formula will get revert. Yep. So once done that, I have entered some random values in here to plot on the chart. So let me show you. So here is the chart which is based on 500 values. Let me make it 400 again. So because this is showing 300 40% difference in here. Better now. So this is lying under the ranges of the chart, less than 0.5, 5.25, and not more than 5.25. So this is a chart plot in here. You can see. Let me make slight change in it. Maybe. Uh, so the baseline is 0 with the main value which is 300 in here, and you can see the instead of the circle you can see the boxes, and these are represented as 1, 10, 6, 4, 0, not 0, 8, 7, and I hope this is what you are looking for. So these are the plots in here, and regarding the last change you just mentioned, it's here at the bottom. So yes, here you can see the time in vertical direction, which is aligned with the x-axis, y-axis, sorry. So yeah, 9:30, 9:35. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further modifications in it. I'm looking forward for your review, and I'll request once it's done, I'll be highly appreciated if you can spend few seconds to leave a feedback on the order completion page. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.